Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the broil element in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Unthread the 3 screws to release the left side stop bracket. Repeat to detach the right side bracket. Now lift the upper rear access panel up to remove. Disconnect the wires from the broil element terminals. Now fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Slide out the oven racks. Unthread the front screw securing the broiler tube and shield. Remove the shield, then disconnect the broil element spark electrode wire and set the broiler tube assembly aside. Now unthread the 2 rear screws securing the broil element to the back of the oven, and you can fully remove the old element. Install the new broil element by inserting the terminals through the holes in the back of the oven. Temporarily replace the front screw to help support the element. Thread and tighten the rear screws. Now unthread the front screw. Next, reconnect the broil spark electrode wire. Align the shield and reposition the broiler tube assembly. Rethread and tighten the front screw to secure. Slide the oven racks into place. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Returning to the rear of the appliance, connect the wires to the broil element terminals. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by hooking it on the tabs. Realign the 2 stop brackets and thread the screws to hold them in place. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.